The macOS 27 Golden Gate is packed with useful upgrades, and some of the best are easy to miss. From the all-new Siri AI and smarter Safari to powerful photo editing tools, improved system settings, here are 10 best features that make your Mac faster, easier, and more productive. Before we get started, it doesn't matter whether you're using an older or newer Mac, just make sure it's compatible with the Golden Gate macOS 27. We'll start with the new transparency controls. In macOS Tahoe, you could only turn the liquid glass effect on or off. But in the Golden Gate, if you go to Settings, from there to Appearance, you'll find a new transparency slider. Just move it to the left for a stronger liquid glass effect, or to the right for a more solid, less transparent look. Next is a small but useful quality of life improvement. You can now add as many menu bar items as you want. If they don't all fit, a new arrow appears at the end of the menu bar. Just click it to see all the hidden icons. Now, if you're tired of naming files yourself, this one's for you. Just right-click or double-tap a supported file and choose Rename from here. After a few seconds, Apple Intelligence will suggest one or more names based on the file's contents. Simply click the suggestion you like. Now, at the moment, this works with supported document and text-based files, but not videos. Another great accessibility upgrade is Live Subtitles. Just go to Settings, from there to Accessibility, Subtitles, and Captioning from there. Here, you can customize how your captions look, and then enable Apply across apps. From then on, all the supported audio in all the apps will automatically display live subtitles on your screen, just like that. The Photos app also receives several powerful AI editing tools. Just open your gallery, go to any photo, and then click on Edit. From there, go to Tools. You'll now see 3 new options: Cleanup, Extend, and Reframe. With Cleanup, just adjust the brush size, and then enable High Quality. And then just go ahead and brush over anything you want to remove on your photo. And then hit Cleanup. Apple Intelligence erases the object and naturally blends the background. With the Extend feature, simply drag any edge of your photo to expand the canvas. macOS automatically fills the empty space with matching content. And with Reframe, rotate or reposition your image as you want, and Apple AI recreates the scene from a different angle while keeping it looking natural. The Passwords app can now automatically replace compromised passwords. Just open the app, then go to Security section. All your compromised, reused password that's in danger will appear in this list. You can select Reset Password for all of them, or just select an account that's been flagged, then choose Change Password, followed by Change Automatically. Approve the request, and macOS will generate, save, and update a strong password for you. Creating shortcuts is now much easier. No need to manually create each step anymore. Just open the Shortcuts app. Simply describe what you want to automate in plain English. Apple Intelligence builds the shortcut for you with all the necessary actions. No need to manually create each step anymore. Image Playground also gets an upgrade. Just open the app, add a photo from your gallery, and then you'll have a new option to choose one of these new styles. And the Apple AI creates a brand new image based on your photo. Just select the style and your description if there is any. Now let's talk about the redesigned search and Siri experience. So whether you click on the search button or this tiny Siri button, you'll now see an unified interface where you can either search or ask questions. You can search files on your Mac, look up information on the web, or ask Siri to help with the task, all from the same place. Siri is also much more conversational now. You can chat with it almost like an AI assistant, just asking it to write, summarize, brainstorm ideas, and much more. And of course, voice commands still work, so you can simply say, "Hey Siri," and continue the conversation naturally. Safari also gets several useful new features. So let's say if you're browsing a website or an YouTube video and spot an image or product you want to know more about, simply press Shift, Command, and 6. A selection button will appear on your screen. Just drag the section to select that area. You can now instantly ask Siri about what you've selected, or if you want, you can perform a visual search to find similar products or just learn more about the content. Safari also introduces a new menu button in the toolbar. Just click on it and you'll find several new options. One of my favorites is Hide Distracting Items. Select the option and then simply move your cursor over any distracting element on the page, click it, and it disappears instantly. When you're done, just click the check mark to save the changes. Now, if you ever want those elements back, just open the same menu and choose Show Hidden Items. Finally, there's Notify Me. If there is something you want your Mac to keep track of, like a product coming back in stock, or a video you're waiting for like ages, or an upcoming event, just describe what you're looking for, then choose how often Apple AI should check, set the schedule, and then click Done. Your Mac will monitor it for you and notify you when there is an update. So these are my picks. Which new macOS 26 update are you excited about? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for your time.